Okay guys, I'm going to finally get to prove to you the superiority of the SuperCat stove. As you can see, excuse me, it's tiny. So you just put denatured alcohol in to just about the bottom of the little rings there that I've got cut in there. Set it down, cap this. Okay, fire up your flame like that. You want it to preheat for a few seconds, usually 20 to 30 seconds. So while that's preheating, as you can see, just over 1 cup of water. While that's doing its thing, 1 cup of water, pan, pot, whatever you want to call it. In goes the water. Ta-da! Now, just so you know, this is not preheated, this is not hot water, this is cold water out of the tap. I can hear that starting to sizzle a little bit. It's usually a pretty good indication that it's ready for the pot. I just set it down on top. As you can see, it goes out the jets. Start my stopwatch. Add 5 seconds to it or something just to keep you guys happy. Trying to get that. There we go. So you can see, I'm not cheating. I'm not going to cut this. Oh, let me get this centered. There we go. Ta-da! I'll let it do its thing for a few minutes. However, I will clue you boys into a pretty cool secret, is that surface area, excuse my nasty oven, is your friend. It actually takes, in a TI cup, because it's a thicker wall than this aluminum, it actually takes about 4 minutes to boil a cup of water. I think with this it takes about 2.5 or 3. Check this. Where are we at? We're not even up to a minute yet. That's me breathing on it. Oops. Yep. Fairly well centered. Cooking away. Doing its thing. As you can see there. Ta-da! That's cooking with acetone. Well, denatured alcohol in this case. You can also use acetone. Just so you know. Yes, I know it's kind of gross to have it on this, stuck in this dirty oven. However, this is probably the safest place in the house to experiment right now. We're almost up to 2 minutes. As you can see there, I think. It's kind of blurry, but it's there. So, let's see. Well, we're starting to get a little action in the bottom of the pan there. See, it's bubbling there just slightly. Oh, and look, there's steam coming off. How long were you guys playing with yours? 2 minutes 17 seconds. Oh, I can hear that. That sounds like water getting ready to boil. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, look at here. As you can see, getting very, very, very close. Up, there we go. We have a boil. We have boil at, what do we got here? You can go ahead and stop it. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. We'll have a rolling boil at about 2:55, right at 3 minutes. That, my friends, is a rolling boil. Ha ha ha. Thus, the incredible superiority. Oops, that happens sometimes. Of the SuperCat stove. Put this out. And then smother it.